LGBTQIA+. Congratulations din sa mga awardees ng Annual Philippine LGBTQIA Icons of the Year and to the Red Whistle and O-Bar for the successful endeavor. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa parangal na ito. It means so much coming from the community. I am truly humbled to be at the receiving end of your love, lalo na sa mga panahon na napapasabak tayo sa laban. Naging mas makulay, mas makabuluhan, at mas bongga ang ating pakikibaka dahil kasama namin kayo. Pride Month is more than just a celebration. It is a reminder of the resilience, courage, and strength of the LGBTQIA+ community. It is time to look back at how far we've come, recognize the challenges we still face, and honor those who have fought for the rights and dignity of everyone, no matter who they love or how they identify. Malayo na ang ating narating ukol sa usapin ng gender equality. Marami ng kwento ng tagumpay mula sa hanay ng LGBTQIA+ community. Mga kwento na kadalasan ay nagdadala ng kulay at kahulugan hindi lang para sa mga taong ipinagdiriwang natin ng tagumpay, kundi para sa kanilang mga komunidad. All over the world, we see members of the LGBTQIA+ community breaking barriers, defying expectations, and making groundbreaking contributions in various fields. Malinaw na ang husay at tibay, hindi nag-uugat kung ano ang iyong pagkakakilanlan. It is not rooted in your gender, but in the core of who you are as a person. Pero alam rin natin na marami pa tayong kailangan gawin in the fight for genuine equality and inclusiveness. Nandiyan pa rin ang pangmamaliit sa mga kasapi ng LGBTQIA+ community. Mga pagsubok na mahirap ibagin dahil nakatanim ka sa ating kultura. Totoong malayo na ang ating naabot. Pero mahaba pa rin ang paglalakbay para sa pagkakapantay-pantay. Kaya mahalaga na nagkakaisa tayo, tumitindig at inaalagaan ng isa't isa. We must continue to open more safe spaces in our society where each one can embrace their truth and reach their full potential. Now more than ever, we need more of us to do this work, to raise our voice, to educate others, to make our community safer and more responsive to the needs of every Filipino, regardless of gender. We need more of us to come together and march towards the future of our dreams. One where every Filipino flourishes and thrives. Malayo na ang narating natin dahil sa pinagsama-samang husay, sigasig at puso. Buong-buo ang tiwala ko na patuloy kayong mangunguna sa pagsulong natin sa Pilipinas na ating mga pangarap. Again, congratulations to our awardees and to the Red Whistle and O-Bar for this occasion. Thank you for this honor.